Hello friends, I'm Rupesh Sharma welcoming you all in the first episode of V Physics, an exclusive video lectures by Vipin Sharma. This is the first time in your favorite entertainment channel Fastway we have launched an education program by which your favorite teacher Mr. Vipin Sharma will revise you some concepts of physics. Why we have started this program? Let's discuss with your favorite teacher Mr. Vipin Sharma. So please welcome National Awardee Mr. Vipin Sharma. Hello sir, welcome to your own show.
Thank you, Rupesh.
So our students want to know that why we have started this program.
The purpose of this program is to educate students in remote areas wherever the channel has got an access. Though it is very difficult to teach physics on television channel thoroughly, but I will be taking up some of the exclusive topics which will help the students to revise the basics. I will try to level my best to give my best for the students' future. Your suggestions are always welcome on this channel. We need good feedback from you so far as the program concerned, so far as the question concerned.
So what are the topics we will learn today, sir?
Well, today's topics are mirror concept. It will have the students of 9th and 10th class, even in plus 2 students. Our second topic will be based on vectors, which will have the plus 1 students, of course the plus 2 students who are appearing for competition, and one electrostatic concept exclusively for plus 2 students. It can also help the students of 10th class.
So friends, very soon we are going to start a quiz program. In each episode we will ask you one question and you have to send a right answer. Hope you will be the one of the students who will participate in a quiz program on television. So now let's move to the classroom. Hope you will enjoy it.
Mirror concept. In this mirror concept, if you place an object, suppose 5 meters away from the mirror, the image will also be formed 5 meters behind the mirror. This can be explained with the help of a diagram on the board. Just see. Mirror concept. This is a plane mirror. We place an object here. This is one of the incident ray. This is another incident ray, and this is reflected ray. This is a normal. O A incident ray, OB another incident ray, and BN a normal. This is angle I, angle of incidence, that is OBN, NBCR, that is angle of reflection. Imagine students, if there is no mirror, then incident ray would have gone straight, and this reflected ray appears to be coming from this point I. You know, where incident ray and reflected ray meet, an image is formed, and this is image I. Now, this is angle I, and this is also angle I. This is called angle of incidence, which are, according to the rule of geometry, equal as they are alternate angles. This is angle R, and this is also angle R. These are called corresponding angles. Now, we have two triangles O, A, B, A, I, B. If we prove OA is equal to AI, it means that object is, which is say 5 meters away from the mirror, the image will also be formed 5 meters behind the mirror. This is an amazing concept. How we can prove this? Let us take the triangle OAB. In triangles OAB and AIB, you find that angle I is equal to angle R because laws of reflection. You find that angle OAB and IAB, angle OAB equals to angle IAB, each equal to 90 degree. AB is equal to AB common. Therefore, triangle OAB is congruent with triangle AIB. It means this shows OA is equal to AI. That is, object if is placed 5 meters before mirror, the image will be formed 5 meters behind the mirror. I hope the students, you must have noticed this concept which I have proved with the help of geometry. Same concept we can also discuss with the help of a mirror formula. Now the same result we will achieve but with the help of mirror formula. So you should be ready for derivation of the same concept, same result, but with another way, that is called a mirror formula. Let's do that. Now same concept, that if we place an object say 5 meters away from the mirror, the image will be formed 5 meters behind the mirror. The same concept we can prove with the help of a mirror formula. Mirror formula is what? 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon U plus 1 upon V. F is focus, means F is the point, distance of the point where all the rays are focused. This is called a focal length. U is always the distance of the image, object. V is the distance of the image. Now students, we have to prove U is equal to V, right? Now for plane mirror, F is equal to infinity. What is infinity? We will have a special lecture on that, but right now infinity means for plane mirror, the focal length of the plane mirror is infinity, means the rays never meet. And 1 upon infinity, 1 upon U plus 1 upon V. Reciprocal of infinity is 0. Now you will find U plus V upon UV. This implies U plus V equal to 0. This implies U is equal to minus V. It shows that the object, if is placed say U meter away from the mirror, the image is formed V meter behind the mirror and U is equal to V. Of course, with the negative sign, the negative sign shows that it is just opposite, that is, it is behind the mirror, and it is just a direct proof of the same result which we have done with the help of geometry. Now we have done with the help of a mirror.